This tutorial is for CSUN Kinesiology students with an option of applied fitness and a catalog year of 2014 or later. To earn a degree in kinesiology with an option of applied fitness, students must complete prerequisite science and math courses, the Kinesiology Lower Division Core, the Kinesiology Upper Division Core, and the applied fitness option requirements. This tutorial will summarize the applied fitness option requirements. The applied fitness option requirements include 4 different sections of courses: the lower division required courses, the upper division area A requirements, upper division area B requirements, and the elective requirement. The lower division required courses include Psych 150, and Psych 150 is also available to be applied to the General Education Social Sciences requirement. Applied fitness students also need to take a nutrition class, and they can choose FCS 207 or Health Science 337. If you decide to take FCS 207, note that it also covers the requirement General Education, Lifelong Learning, and the General Education requirement of Information Competence. If you choose instead to take Health Science 337, it will cover the requirement of General Education, Lifelong Learning, and because it's an upper division course, it will also count towards your 9 units of upper division GE required. For upper division area A, applied fitness students need to take Kinesiology 336 with lab. The prerequisite for this course is a C- or above in Bio 281, which is human physiology, and Kin 300. You also need to take Kinesiology 337 with lab, and the requirement for this course is Bio 211 and 212, human anatomy and human anatomy lab. You need to take Kinesiology 417 with lab, and the prerequisite for this course is Kin 345 in lab and Kin 346 in lab. You need to take Kinesiology 446 with lab, and the prerequisite for this course is a C- or higher in Kinesiology 346. Another course in Area A that is required for applied fitness is Kinesiology 477 and 478, which need to be taken together. The prerequisite for this course sequence is Kinesiology 377. The last course required in this area is Psych 352, which is a motivation class. And note that Psych 352 can be applied to General Education, Social Sciences, General Education, Information Competence, and because it's an upper division course, it can go towards your 9 units of upper division GE required. For upper division area B, students can choose between Kinesiology 436 or Kinesiology 456. The prerequisite for either of these courses is a C- or higher in Kinesiology 346. For the elective requirement, applied fitness students need to choose 6 units from the following courses: Kinesiology 311 in lab, Kin 313 in lab, Kin 415. The prerequisite for Kin 415 is Kin 337 with lab and Kin 345. You can also choose Kin 436, which has a prerequisite of Kin 346 with a C- or higher. But note that if you have taken Kin 436 and applied it to your Area B requirement, you cannot double count it toward the elective requirement. Another course you have to choose from is Kin 445, and prior to that you need a C- or higher in Kin 345, and you need to take Physics 100A with lab. Another option for your requirements is Kin 456 with a prerequisite of Kin 346 with a grade of C- or higher, and again, if you've taken this course for Area B, you cannot double count it towards your elective requirement. The other courses you have to choose from for your elective requirement are Kin 476, which has a prerequisite of Kin 345 or instructor consent, Kin 479, which has a prerequisite of 377, Kin 494, which is academic internship, and for information about this class, please see the academic internship tutorial. You also can choose Kin 513 with lab, which has a prerequisite of Kin 311, Kin 560, which has a prerequisite of 446 and lab, or Kin 575 with lab, which has a prerequisite of Kin 345 or instructor consent. You also have the option to request to take another upper division Kin course, but before you can do this and apply it towards your electives, you need to get prior approval from your Applied to Fitness advisor. Once you've received approval from your advisor, you need to contact the Kinesiology undergraduate coordinator to request that a substitution be made on your DPR.